Hi, and welcome back to today's More Report on Wednesday, the 10th of February, with me, Rich Bear Market Analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at this dollar yen chart now, and the huge decline that we've seen on dollar yen continued yesterday and had a close below 1550, which is a very negative breakdown. That is the lowest since December 2014. Big top pattern as well formed. The question is this is it beginning to run out of steam? Near term, possibly, we're seeing a bit of consolidation coming through. So that 1420 level that we hit on yesterday morning hasn't been broken. Actually, is holding. Interestingly, it's beginning to sort of show a bit of signs of reversal. Now, the problem is you'd still say trend is your friend, and the trend is lower, so that is still in place, but the interesting improvement in sentiment generally in the markets is beginning to turn around. Just seeing the gold price breaking down below 1185. I'll talk about that in my chart in a minute. But the dollar yen is your classic chart. Now, obviously, it's had a huge move lower, and you'd still argue that any sort of rally is a chance to sell, and I'm still thinking that is the case, but we could still see a bit of a recovery into maybe this 1550 towards 1650 sort of resistance area. So, and that would help to unwind it a little bit because it is arguably a bit stretched. I mean, RSI at 30, I mean, historically speaking, that's nothing compared to what we got in January, but still a little bit stretched to the downside on a near-term basis, and we could yet see a bit of a correction of this big sell-off. So what I'd be looking for is obviously a price breakout above 1550. That would just imply about 130 ticks, actually, a bit of a base pattern, and that would bring you back towards that 1650 level. And you would also argue that bear market rallies do not tend to hit their target. So I think 1650 would be a fair reflection, actually, of a recovery. But yeah, there's few signs of a bit of a consolidation that could turn into a recovery. So just be careful of that if you're running short positions, I would say. So interesting moves that we're seeing on dollar yen today. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later.